I heard the viewers wanted the Latsaurus to come back, make a reappearance, so she's back or he's back?
Hey, back in Africa.
Oh, she, as in the Lats are back. The shirt will come off later, so you'll get what you want soon, viewers.
Calm down, guys.
So,
absolute dogs.
Apparently the normal track is closed, but we're gonna venture off and find it using Google Maps, and we'll see how we go. We might get lost, but
closed.
I don't know, man. I don't know why. Break it. Oh! Yes, buddy. So just pulled up to the first lookout, and there is the waterfall in all its glory. Blake's gonna slide down it.
Yeah, we've decided to slide down there. I think it's quite plausible.
Yeah.
Think we're gonna hit it.
Mate, you did like way harder at Kugel, so this is the easy version.
Kugel is nothing.
They cannot stop us. Trespassers will be prosecuted.
You're dumb.
Where's Blakey? There he is. Look at him.
They will not take us.
They
will not stand a chance.
Cannot win.
It's nuts.
I'm ready. They cannot get me. We found it. There's the creek just down there. Let's go, boys.
The wilderness away.
Let's go, Andrew. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. Look at that, Blake. So nice. Let's go. Look at this. This is so sick. So we beat the government, boys. There's a fat tree here. Crazy root systems. Spotted the wild Andrew.
Ew. The wild Andrew in his natural habitat.
Damn. Thought you were gonna send a backflip, bro.
Wilfred the rock spider.
It feels like we're like in dinosaur land. Everything around here is so big. Like all the rocks and...
Making us look like pussies.
Yeah. Everything.
Look at these pussies. Real pussies.
All these rocks are just massive. Hey.
Holy that's the biggest spider right there. That is fucking...
How big is a spider?
Oh fuck, you right? I hope you will come off. Oh, sorry, bro.
Andrew's found like spider heaven under this cave. Wait, can I come in?
Yeah, I'm getting it. I'm full shaken.
Yeah. Blake gave him a massive jump scare.
That was in Northern.
Blake's getting in there.
Oh, look out there, like right around the corner. Where? Oh!
Blake's getting in the cave. So we made it to the first waterfall that we saw earlier. This was pretty hard to get to, but so worth it. That's what we just came up. Will Spider-Man go? Made it. That is a nice waterfall. Very nice. Oh look, there's a rope there for helping to climb up. I think you can climb up maybe through here. Yes, Andrew. Oh, look at the strength on him. Oh, he's getting there. Yes, Andrew.
It goes down rock line.
Blakey's getting in there. Let's go, Blake. Yeah. We're heading off from the spot now. This place is pretty magical. I'll chuck some photos on the screen. Man's loving it in the cold water. Yes, Andrew. Look how nice that is. So we're back up the top now. This is where we were earlier in the day. Right there.
Yes, sir.
And now
If
we're
we
back
got like
up
a
here.
rope or something and we could...
Finishing off the day with a quick surf. Well, I'm not surfing, I'm just going to get Blakey surfing. Andrew the kook's already heading that way. He doesn't know where to go. He's lost. Look how he's holding the board. What a kook. Wait, look at him. Wait, the only reason he's got the board just to put it on his Snapchat story. Look at this.